Festivals are all about indulgence, and what better way to celebrate with a rich and flavorful bowl of Anjeer Dryfruit Rabdi, for which I have 1 liter of full-fat milk, and now I'm going to start boiling it. Let this milk come to a boil. While that's happening, let's quickly make a anjeer or a dry fig paste, for which I've taken around 8 figs or dry anjeer and soaked it in water for about half an hour to 45 minutes, and they're nicely swollen, and now time to make a paste. As you can see, these are nicely swollen. Make sure it's a smooth paste of the fig. Once the milk starts to boil, stop stirring, reduce the heat and let this simmer. Once you see a layer of cream, start sticking it to the side of the pan and let the milk boil again. Again, you can start seeing some froth on top. Start sticking it to the sides as well. Continue this process till the milk reduces to half. As you can see, the cream on the side has started to dry out. Once the milk has reduced to half, start adding the anjeer paste. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of milk powder. If you wish, you can even mix it in a little bit of milk and then add it in. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix the paste with the reduced milk. Make sure there are no lumps. Now add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, some pistachio flakes, some almond flakes. Give this a mix. As you can see, the texture has become nice and thick. Some of the paste is sticking at the bottom. When that starts to happen, stop stirring and turn off the heat. Once it's cooled slightly, start scraping the sides out. As you can see, a nice layer of cream has been formed. Give it a gentle mix with the rabdi. And now it's time to plate. Garnish with some almond flakes, pistachio flakes and some dried rose petals. Refrigerate this anjeer and dry fruit rabdi at least for a couple of hours before indulging. Whether it's a special occasion or you're craving for something sweet, do give this recipe a try and comment below. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.